Does your Mac freeze up or crash after starting up? Is it stuck on the Apple logo screen? Or do you keep getting error alerts? These are all signs that your hard drive is failing. But don't worry, we'll show you how to tell if it's about to happen and what to do when it does. Before a hard drive fails, there are some common warning signs. You might hear unusual noises from your device, or maybe it keeps overheating, or you experience system crashes regularly or slowed performance, or you find missing or corrupted data files. If you suspect your hard drive is failing, start by backing up your data securely on iCloud, Time Machine, or an external hard drive before it's too late. Next, check your Mac's disk health for potential problems. In the Finder window, open Applications, Utilities, and check Disk Utility. Select the disk you want to check and click on the Info button on the toolbar to check its health. If you see error messages on your disk health, you can try to repair it using Disk Utility. Work your way up the list by selecting the last volume on the disk. Click the First Aid button, then Run or Repair Disk to repair it. Start with the volume, containers, then the disk. If the Run button is dimmed or you can't click it, skip this step for the selected disk. If your Mac does not start up all the way, you can use macOS Recovery to open the Disk Utility tool. For Macs with an M1 or M2 chip, turn off your device, then press and hold the Power button until you see the Startup Options window. Click the gear icon labeled Options. For Macs with an Intel processor, open macOS Recovery by turning on your Mac. Press and hold the Command and R keys until you see an Apple logo. When you're done, restart your device by clicking the Apple menu and Restart. If your MacBook still isn't working, you might need to repair or replace the hard drive. This can be tricky as it involves taking apart your device and disconnecting the motherboard. It's best to take it to an expert. Visit your local uBreakiFix by Asurion store for a tune-up, diagnostic, or MacBook repair. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.